All right, guys, this place is really nice. I just walked through it. You're in Venetian Bay in Marisol. Check this nice door out. Very nice door. As soon as you walk up to the home, that screams quality. But check this out. This home has been completely upgraded. Very pretty home. Look at the floors. That's a laminate flooring. As soon as you walk in, you got a beautiful view of the lake. And this really nice open concept kitchen here with the quartz. A really nice looking house. Got soft clothes on the cabinets and all that fun stuff. Nice backsplash. Hood, a real hood. Very pretty. Very well done. The doors are two-tone. I like that. That goes out to the garage. It's very clean. Through that door right there is a hot water tank. It looks like they had a cat or something, so you put a litter box in there. Then you got laundry. We'll check out these 2 bedrooms over here real quick. Of course, eating kitchen, closet. Good sized bedroom, queen size bed easily. He's using it as an office for right now. Same thing here, about the same size bedroom. But as you can see, very pretty home. And they even updated the back patio. That is the wood looking tile. They actually got it really close to what's inside the house. That's wood down below. That looks real pretty. And then you got the wood up there. And then you got this beautiful lake that you're on. The fountain is right there. I don't know if you can see where it would turn on at night. It would light up also. And then you have the master bedroom right there. Let's go check it out. It's a really pretty house though. Nice window over the bed. Then you've got this sitting area over there. You can have a TV or whatever you'd like over there. You did a really nice job on this door. You wanted a little privacy for the bathroom. This model did not come with a door. It was open. So that was a great fix. Double vanity. Looks like a jetted tub. Walk-in shower, water closet, big walk-in closet here. Good size. Looks like all the hardware on all the doors have been replaced also. And beautiful place, just look at it. Lights up in the top. Very pretty. This is one to check out. And it's actually under $400,000.